Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Let's get a little vibe going on. Boop, 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 boop. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Look, just wake y'all up. Boom. Look like Denzel. Boom. Wake up. What up, y'all? Good morning. Thanks for watching this video. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Happy Friday. TGIF, if that feels better for you, whatever works. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. I am on an early morning vlog and driving vlog. On my way back to the crib. I'm on my way back to the house. I just dropped my daughter off at her job. She is working today. And I've been up since, I think I got up at like 2. Yep, I got up at 2 o'clock this morning. And got a lot of sleep last night. Not gonna lie, I'm very happy for that because I needed it. I'd be pushing myself and I'd be up doing my little thing. So, and I'm younger than most and I can push it more than most. Crazy. I be going, honey. And today I got up at 2. I cleaned my bathroom. I cleaned my kitchen, swept my floors, folded some laundry, went downstairs in the basement, did some more laundry, folding clothes. I think I uploaded 3 or 4 videos. I think it was 3 or 4. I'm not sure. Look. Whatever. I uploaded like 3 or 4 videos. And I even went for a nice little morning walk, guys. It was so nice out this morning. And I got up this morning. I said, you know what? My morning routine is usually to get up, straighten up my house, you know, do my little cleaning and stuff before the kids and everybody gets up and start the calm before the storm. House be just as clean, boy. I give it to like about 9. You'll be like, what happened? I'm gonna start vlogging that too. Like, this is the before and this is the after. As you see, the solar glares is extremely intense this morning. So we got a lot of sun going on. But it's an amazing, beautiful morning, guys. And like I said, I'm on my way back to the house. I just wanted to drop her off. It's my turn. We're doing it in turns now. So yesterday was my daughter's turn. The other day was my other daughter's turn. And today is my turn. And tomorrow, we will be going out, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to let you know right now it's going down. We're getting together with family and friends. Wink, wink. Yeah. I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to show you how we do it on our side of the street. Bang, bang. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. And I'm going to just give y'all the raw. If you're new to this channel, go check out my Virginia vlogs when we were in Virginia with family and friends for the family reunion in Virginia. And then we was in, I did another vlog not too long before that. We were in Virginia. It wasn't a vacation, but we said, what the hey, we'll make it a vacation. We went down because my husband's uncle had passed away, so we stayed down there for a couple of days too. So we've been to Virginia twice this year, one on vacation and one we made a vacation when it was a family member's death. Whatever works. If you can get away, get away. I don't care if it is a funeral, reunion, whatever. I'm out of here if I can get out of here. So I did a couple of vlogs in Virginia, guys, so go check that out. But when we get together with family, guys, and I also did one of my own little family. That was just my mom and my dad. I found my mother's house across the street at the little park across the street, and my cousin, a couple of friends. But this, tomorrow, is supposed to be the family reunion little cookout where all family get together, guys. So stay tuned for vlogs, and I'm gonna give you the raw. I don't need to edit it. I probably won't edit it. I'm just gonna upload it to the YouTube platform or app, whatever works. Look at that. He got a nice little suburban vibe in the background, guys. Look at that. You see it? It's a nice little suburban drive-through. So beautiful. I love this drive though, not gonna lie. I even said that in my little short this morning. Go check out that short. If you're up in the morning or you can't sleep and it's like before the sun even begins to break and it's still early, get out, go take a little walk, breathe in the fresh air. Get a nice little, a little clear mind. Clear your mind before all the hoopla starts. And just get it done early. That's what I did. I went out this morning. I was up, like I said, I did my laundry. So since I was already in the basement, I said, you know what, let me open this door and go out here and get me a little walk in. So I got me a nice little walk in. It felt so good just to breathe in the nice morning fresh air of the suburbs. And before the sun even came out, I loved it. My allergies are bothering me. Please forgive me for that. But yeah, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for all the people who have recently subscribed to our channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Bang, bang. Thank you. I guess that means you guys really like us. Y'all know what the deal is. You know what the real is. Right here. Because this channel right here, let me run it back. Bang, bang. Because this channel right here, original content on the daily, good vibes on the regular, and just regular stuff. Every day, different content. So if you're looking for a channel that delivers everything, what can I say? We literally deliver it all. And non-stop humor, motivation, inspiration, love, compassion, empathy, no rudeness, none of the BS, not all drama just to have views on my channel. You looking for all that? Come on over to My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube and get subscribed. Stay tuned, because I got to go to the store and get me a frontal lead so I can burn on Friday, if you know what I mean. So now I'm about to go in the store. Oh, God, this sun is crucial today. Damn. Get me a frontal lead. Oh, thank you. Thank you, darling. Have a good one. I know, right? That's all you can do. Exactly. I ain't mad at that. So, yeah, I'm coming to get me a frontal lead. I'm in a 7-Eleven. Let's get a little. Hello. Hi, can I have a frontal lead, please? Thank you. Damn it. You don't got no more?
No, one.
One more, because I like it dark. I don't want these light ones. It's like dark, like a little bit darker.
1 minute wait.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one. Sorry about that.
No, no problem.
Have a good one. Thank you. So guys, let's see my phone to leave. Kind of picky about my frontal. That's the thing. Some people don't care, but yeah, well, I'm smoking how I wanna, and I'm not gonna just smoke anything. Yeah, guys. So that's what I had to do. I had to go in there in 7-Eleven, give me a little frontal lead. But my daughter got a push button car. These kids, I'm telling you, these kids these days, imagine that. I know damn well, like my first car was what was it? I think it was a 1988 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. That was my first car. Don't get me wrong. That was a bad, she was bad. But And you're probably like, well, why was that your first car? And that was my first car in when was it? When did I get that car? Like 99 or 2000, and that's actually around the time I got my license too. Yeah, I started late because first of all, I lived in the city all my life, and I moved to the suburbs when I was like 25 years old. No, yeah, like 26 years old. So I didn't get my license until I moved to the suburbs, and like my first car was literally a Cadillac. I was like, I want a car that's gonna hold me down in case of an accident or anything, especially for my first car. And I want me a Cadillac because they're strong, nice cars. Man, that Cadillac was banging, banging. I never forget it. It was such a nice Cadillac. And needless to say, though, I also got into a really bad accident. That's why I said, you kind of, probably, I don't know, how can I say this? I probably like made that. I wouldn't say I made it happen, but like when I searched to buy my car, I said it. I was like, I want a nice, strong car, to protect me. I don't want no car that if something happens, it's going to fold up and everything else. I want to be protected. Well, something did happen. I'll never forget it. My first car. I was pregnant with my second son. I was coming from work. I was going to go pick up Christmas presents and go Christmas shopping. And actually no, I was going to go to my the school. My kid's school was giving out like Christmas stuff. You guys know that, like when the schools be giving out like Christmas donations and stuff. I'll never forget it. I was like 29 years old. Yep, I was like 29. Actually, I wasn't 20. I was like 28, 29. And I was like, I had just got off work, and I was trying to hurry up and go catch the school because they were like, I was due to go there and pick up my kids' Christmas stuff before like a certain time, and I didn't get off work until like 5. So I'll never forget, again, in my Cadillac, first car, I was like literally like probably 6 months pregnant with my son. I was driving, and it came to a light that was like literally just turned red. I'll never forget it. And that's why I kind of I learned from my experience. I don't like running lights and all that BS now because I have been in a situation where it didn't work for me. So what happened was I went through that light, pregnant and all. Yeah, this is a true story. When I tell you, and this is for those who don't know, if you're new to the road, if you're not if you're not out there about driving, you don't know. My red light is somebody's green light, if that makes sense. Or my green light is somebody's red light. My cousin told me, which is kind of a thing to also remember. My cousin was like, that's why when the light turns, I wait for a few minutes before I go. I don't just go. Use that too. Try that at home. I should have did that. I literally went through that light, and I tell you no lie, another car came from the other side because he had green. Boom. Yep. Pregnant, 5 to 6 months pregnant with my son. Angel, you can see him. He's on YouTube, Angel Strange. Just graduated from college and he's about to do his first film. We almost finished with that now. He's finishing up now. His first short film. I literally tell you no lie, my car went up in the air. I'll never forget that. All I remember, and I swear it was so vague, but I can remember it like it was yesterday, was running through the lights and then being in the air, like being the car going around. It spun around, and I remember being up in the air. I can remember that, and just thinking about it gives me chills. I literally remember being airborne in that car. The next thing, I remember waking up in the hospital, in the emergency room, and hearing police officers and ambulance and EMT, like everybody, emergency nurses, everybody saying, oh my gosh, did you see that car? This is all I can remember. Did you see her car? Did you see her steering wheel? So I was like, and then I remember a police officer. I barely could. I just opened my eyes, and I remember a police officer on the side of my bed saying, "Oh, you okay? You all right? You woke now?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "So do you know what happened?" And I was like, "I think I was in an accident." He said, "Yeah, you were in an accident." He said, "Actually, you were in a pretty bad accident." First thing I did was I stopped feeling for my baby on my stomach, because I remember I was pregnant. I didn't forget that. So I just stopped feeling to see if I could feel my baby. And I seen all these things like on my stomach. So I was like, "My baby, how's the baby? How's the baby?" They said, "You know what? Your baby's fine." Let me tell you something. When I tell you, I don't know how in the hell I made it through that, let alone my unborn child. It was on that day that I named my son at 5 months pregnant. I named him Angel, because I felt like there's no way except for the grace of God and him being an angel from God that we made it through that accident. No way. And when I tell you, because I got off subject, back to the Cadillac, and kids these days, because like I said, my daughter's car is a push button. That's how this whole conversation started, but it turned into a story time, which was not bad. When I tell you that if I wasn't driving that Cadillac, and that's what oh, by the way, I also got sighted right on the side of my bed. If you don't know what sighted means, yeah. After literally almost dying, my son in my belly almost dying, car being airborne in the air, the cop with bells on. And I'm not mad about that, because that's his job. Like I got my jobs, which are several. His job is to do what he had to do. And what was his job? No matter what, I still ran that light. He cited me. He gave me a ticket. Imagine that. You're in the emergency room. You literally don't know if your child is like you just found out, yeah, your baby's okay. You was in a bad car accident. But by the way, I'm going to have to give you this ticket. So the message to learn from this is these kids are lucky because they got these nice cars that just push a button and they can start. Which my car, that Cadillac Coupe de Ville, was a bad. She was so pretty. She was clean. But it didn't have a push button stop, but she was bad. Whatever car you got, make sure that car is, if it's going to be your first car, you're buying your first car for your child. Like this car, my dad gave this car to my daughter, and this is a freaking Altima, and this car is pretty strong. It's actually a good car. They done had little bumps, but not bad, too bad accidents. And it's a pretty good car. It's very strong. Look for a car that's going to protect your child, because 9 times out of 10, when you first start learning how to drive, you will have your accident. So the best thing to do is to buy a vehicle that you don't mind getting dinged up, that you don't mind, that is going to protect your child, going to make your child safe, and you don't mind, like that if something was to happen, your child will have a better chance of making it through. And most of all, buckle up, because I was in a seatbelt. Imagine that. I did. And that's one thing I live by. And they said that there's like, if you didn't have a seatbelt on, you probably would have died. And that's facts, because my car got airborne. So imagine it being airborne with me out without a seatbelt. Wear your seatbelts, buy strong cars that last to protect yourselves and your children, and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching this video, my crazy big black family. I hope you guys like this vlog. I hope you like this drive-through morning inspiration and educational video. Get subscribed if you're not, and have an amazing day. Love you guys, my crazy big black family. Bye.